Hi friends, welcome back to CADable. This is Engineer Ibrahim Omer, and in this tutorial we will learn different kinds of fillets in AutoCAD. I am using AutoCAD 2018, and if you are using a below version of AutoCAD or a future version of AutoCAD, you can still follow this tutorial. Basically, I asked some quizzes on my channel, and basically this was asked 2 months ago, and the question was in AutoCAD 2D drafting, fillet command can be used to create, and the options were given as sharp corners, round corners, sharp and round corners, and oblique corners. So the correct answer was sharp and round corners. Basically we can create both sharp and round corners. Usually we use fillet command to create round corners, okay, but we can use fillet command for creating sharp corners as well. So in this tutorial, we will learn fillet command by using different examples. So let's go to your AutoCAD and let's make a rectangle, and let's say rectangle is 50 by, let's say, 30. Okay. Now let's activate the fillet command, and let's select the radius, and let's say radius is 5. Okay. Now I will select this line and I will select this line. So this is a conventional way. Okay. I can, let's say, pick this line and this line, and then this line and this line, and blah blah. Okay. So let's apply Ctrl Z, and let's use some different options. I can create multiple fillets as well with a single command. So let's go to your fillet, and this time I will use this option multiple. Okay. And I will pick this line, and then this line, this line, this line, this line, and lastly these lines. Okay, I will press Ctrl Z again. Now I can create a polyline fillet as well. Okay, so I will pick this one, polyline, and now you can see the preview. Okay, so this was easy as well. I will press Ctrl Z, and now we can create some different kinds of fillets. Now we will create semicircular fillet. So we will create two lines, two parallel lines. Before creating lines, I will check this one so that we can create straight lines. Okay. So let's say the length of line would be, let's say, 50 units, and then I will create another line. I will snap its starting point and ending point. Okay. Now let's say I want to create a semicircular fillet. So let's go to your fillet command again, and let's select this line and then this line, and now you can see a semicircular fillet is created. Now we will create a fillet with two intersecting lines. So let's make one line, let's say here, and then one line, let's say here. Okay. Now I have put off basically this one ortho so that I can create non-parallel lines. So let's go to your fillet tool again, and this time I will use a radius with 0 mm. Okay. And I will select this line and I will select this line, and now you can see a sharp corner. Okay. Here we can create a fillet with radius as well. So let's go to fillet tool again. I will pick this one, radius, and let's say radius is 1 unit, and I will pick this line and I will pick this line, and now you can see a fillet with 1 unit radius. Let's apply another fillet, and let's say a fillet with two non-intersecting lines. Okay, let's say one line is here, and let's say one line is maybe here. Okay. Now we will create a very interesting example, and let's say a fillet with sharp radius. Okay, so let's go to fillet tool again, and this time I will specify radius as 0. Okay, and I will pick this line and I will pick this line, and it will create a sharp corner. Okay, so I will pick this line and I will pick this line, and now you can see a fillet with sharp radius. Okay, basically it is portraying this example sharp and round corners. So basically this was sharp corner. Here we can create a fillet with radius as well. So I will press Ctrl Z. I'll go to fillet command again, and this time I will use radius. Let's say radius of 2 units, and I will pick this line and I will pick this line, and now you can see a fillet with 2 units radius. Let's check the radius, and now you can see radius of 2 units, diameter of 4. So that's how you can use fillet command in AutoCAD in these interesting ways. I hope you like this tutorial, and still if you have any question, any query, you can ask in comment section. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more informative and interesting projects. Thank you.